Welcome to Orgnyz. In this video, we'll show you how to enable and manage kitchen order tickets, also known as KOT. KOT helps your kitchen staff receive orders separately, track preparation time, and update order status in real time. First, go to Settings from the left side menu. Then open Other Settings. Under Kitchen Settings, you'll find the option Enable Kitchen Order Screen. Turn this on. Once enabled, you'll see a new KOT option appear in the left navigation menu. If your restaurant doesn't have a separate kitchen workflow, you can simply keep this option disabled and continue managing orders normally. Orgnyz lets you choose the workflow that best suits your restaurant. Now let's see how orders reach the kitchen. For table orders, start a table, add items to the cart, and click Send to Kitchen. For pickup and delivery orders, first create the order and add items. After the order is placed, click Send to Kitchen. Only after clicking Send to Kitchen will the order appear on the KOT screen. Now open KOT from the left side menu. Here you can see all kitchen orders waiting to be prepared. At the top, you'll find different filters: All, Preparing, New, and Delayed. These help you quickly find orders based on their current status. Each KOT card displays important information about the order. At the top, you'll see the order type, such as table, pickup, or delivery. Below that, you'll see the KOT number and the order number. You'll also see the order time, the items to prepare, and the timer showing how long the order has been waiting. The timer changes color automatically to help your kitchen identify delayed orders. For the first 10 minutes, the timer remains green. After 10 minutes, it changes to orange. After 20 minutes, it becomes red. This helps your kitchen prioritize older orders and maintain faster service. New kitchen orders are shown with a green card. This means the kitchen has not started preparing the order yet. To begin preparing an order, simply click Start. The card will move to the preparing section and change to an orange color. This lets everyone know that the kitchen is already working on the order. While an order is in the preparing stage, the waiter or reception staff cannot complete the order. This helps prevent orders from being closed before the kitchen has finished preparing them. Basically, Orgnyz also supports role-based kitchen management. For example, if your main course category is assigned to Chef Rahul, then Rahul will only receive KOT tickets for main course items. Other chefs will only see the categories assigned to them. This keeps the kitchen organized and ensures each chef focuses only on their assigned dishes. Once the food is prepared, the kitchen staff can mark the KOT as completed. The order is then ready for serving, pickup, or delivery, depending on the order type. That's it. You have successfully enabled and learned how to manage kitchen order tickets in Orgnyz. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next Orgnyz tutorial.